Glass. Glass is commonly used for serving water. Glass containers are used for storage, used for cooking in the microwave, and also used in making window panes. Blue, green or red colored glass is used in making bowls, containers, flower vases, etc. How was glass discovered? Glass was discovered by chance. Some Phoenician traders were cooking food in a desert. They used limestone as props to support the cooking pots. When the cooking pot was removed from the limestone props, they observed some transparent material being formed. The traders thought that this transparent material was formed due to heating of sand and limestone. This led to the development of the production of glass. What is glass? Glass is a non-crystalline, hard but brittle solid material formed from the mixture of silica and silicate. Silica is silicon dioxide, which is sand. Different types of glass are obtained depending upon the proportion of silica and other components of glass. They are soda lime glass, borosilicate glass, silica glass, alkali silicate glass, etc. Let us understand how glass is produced. Production of glass. A mixture of sand, soda, lime, and a small quantity of magnesium oxide is heated in a furnace. Sand, that is silicon dioxide, melts at 1700 degrees Celsius. For the mixture to melt at a lower temperature, pieces of discarded glass are added to it. Due to this, the mixture melts at 850 degrees Celsius. Once all the ingredients of the mixture are liquefied, the mixture is again heated up to 1500 degrees Celsius and immediately cooled. Due to this sudden cooling, the mixture becomes homogeneous, amorphous, and transparent instead of being crystalline. Let us now discuss the properties of glass. Properties of glass. An important property possessed by glass is that it becomes soft on heating and can be molded into any shape. Glass is a slow conductor of heat. Quick heating of cool glass or quick cooling of hot glass cracks or breaks glass. Glass is a bad conductor of electricity, hence is used as an insulator in electric appliances. Glass shows the property of transparency, hence most of the light can pass through the glass. However, if glass is made using oxides of either chromium, vanadium or iron, then a large amount of light is absorbed in the glass. The density of glass varies depending upon the ingredients present in it. Glasses can be of different types depending upon the ingredients present in it. Types of glass. Silica glass. This glass mainly contains silica. Glassware made using silica glass shows minimum expansion on heating. It is also not affected by acids and alkalis. Due to these properties, silica glass is used to produce laboratory glassware. Borosilicate glass. This glass is produced by melting a mixture of sand, soda, boric acid, and aluminium oxide. Medicines are not affected by this glass, hence borosilicate glass is used in the pharmaceutical industry to store medicines. Alkali silicate glass. Alkali silicate glass is produced by melting a mixture of sand and soda. This glass, being soluble in water, is called as water glass. Lead glass. Lead glass is produced by melting a mixture of sand, soda, limestone, and lead oxide. This glass, being very clear and transparent, is used in the manufacture of light bulbs, tubes, etc. Optical glass. Optical glass is produced from a mixture of sand, soda, limestone, barium oxide, and boron. This glass, being pure glass, is used in the production of spectacles, lenses and microscopic lenses, etc. Colored glass. Soda lime glass produced from silica, soda and lime is colorless. In order to impart the desired color, oxides of specific metals are mixed during the manufacturing process. For example, ferrous oxide is mixed to get bluish-green glass, and copper oxide is mixed to get red glass. You must have seen amber-colored bottles. Amber-colored bottles are used to store chemicals to prevent degradation due to sunlight. Processed glass. Glass is processed in order to improve the quality and utility of glass. Various types of glasses like reinforced glass, plain glass, fiber glass, and translucent glass are obtained by processing. Do you know which type of glass is used in vehicles to avoid injuries in accidents? Door windows and the rear window of cars are made from tempered glass. In the event of a crash, even if the glass breaks, it does not shatter into sharp pieces, but into thousands of harmless pebble-like pieces that do not have sharp edges. Effect of glass on the environment. For the production of glass, the mixture needs to be heated in a furnace at a temperature of about 1500 degrees Celsius. The burning of fuel during this process releases greenhouse gases like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, and carbon dioxide. Glass is a non-degradable material. If pieces of waste glass material flow into the water body, it can affect the marine life and can also in a way affect the ecosystem. Pieces of glass can also block drainage.